Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an updated version of how I blow dry my hair now that I have color treated hair, like really color treated hair. I also have psoriasis. That has made it so difficult for me to do my hair because a lot of products would dry me out and make the psoriasis more prominent. My dermatologist, he actually recommended these products to me, and so I'm going to share it on and pass it on to you so that if any of you out there are also struggling from psoriasis, you too can benefit. Without further ado, here we go. So this is what my hair looks like before I get in the shower, and then I let it saturate all the way through and make sure my hair is fully wet before we get started, because the next thing I'm going to do is brush out my curls and brush out all the knots. BTW, double chin is real, girl. Do you see that? Do you see that? But anyways, this is the best time to just brush out those knots. And so I take a long time doing this because I don't want to run my hands through my hair and get stuck at a knot. It's going to hurt. So now it's on to shampoo, and this is the one that I've been using that my dermatologist recommended. It is amazing. And there's a botanical in this shampoo called soapberry that is so potent and powerful, and it's helping lift away the dirt and the grease from your hair, from your head, and is also said to help with hair loss. And after 3 minutes of massaging that into my scalp, I'll just rinse it off and move on to conditioner. This is the conditioner that I use. It's coconut oil based, which I love for everything skin, hair, nails, everything. And so I use definitely not a dime size amount. And I massage that into the hair that is not part of my scalp, if you know what I mean, and focus on the ends. And then I just put it all up into a bun for about 3 to 5 minutes. Afterwards, when you wash it out, use a cotton shirt and wrap your hair up in it. And I keep it like that for about 30 minutes. And then the rest of the time I let it air dry. But this has totally changed my world. As you can tell, it's kind of thin when I blow it out, but right now it looks thick. So let's get to it. I am using, again, just like in my old video, the Porcelain Ceramic Babyliss Pro. Let's do this. I really hope that this camera works with me. I'm really trying to get a new camera, but you know, your girl gotta save some money because right now she's broke. This is why I'm trying to do my hair at home. We'll then take it and roll it like this. Try to keep it flat all the way around. There you go. And then pin it just like this. So there. Ah! I burned my leg! You should be wearing some long pants. Here I am wearing shorts, thinking it's smart to put that on my leg. If something falls out, I'm just going to reheat it and then I'll put it back in the pan curl. So let me take out some of the bottom pieces while the top pieces cool off. Do you see what I mean? Like there was just that little bit of movement in the hair. This one's good. See? This just falls so nicely. Now there's one more step that I do. Kamedis Dermatology Scalp Lotion. Now this thing has really been a lifesaver for me. It's a green, thick, but not too thick texture. And I just put it and massage it into the areas that are affected. I try to just do my entire hairline, and I try to take it into my little sideburns. That's where you see it a lot. Honestly, this thing lasts so long. Put it in my eyebrows. I have psoriasis on my scalp. It's skin cells that have built up and they form in scales. And so they look like really big dandruff. I would mainly get it around my hairline. the flakes were huge, but you can see like I might have one or two little flakes, but it has improved so much. I have to tell you, I really love this stuff. Kamedis always has sales, so if you are struggling with dandruff, serious dandruff, or with psoriasis, make sure you get the scalp lotion and the shampoo. I think I'm just ready to go to bed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below of what you guys would like to see next and like to see more on this channel. But while you're here, here are some other videos that you can watch, and in the middle you can click on it and follow my page. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.